It's important when you're buying eggs that you buy them from reliable places. A lot of us are buying them locally these days, and this is terrific. When you buy an egg in a grocery store, they're usually kind of old. They're actually probably at least a week old if you buy it in a grocery store. But buying them at your local farmer's market means they might have just been pulled from the nests of the chickens that morning. Eating uncooked eggs isn't okay for everybody. If you're really young, really old, or pregnant, and you want to eat an uncooked egg, you should probably eat a pasteurized egg. And I also wanted to talk about the color of eggshells. There's a common misconception that brown eggs are more healthy than white ones. This isn't the case. White ones can be just as healthy as brown eggs. It's a different breed of chicken. Different chickens lay different colored eggs. It's as simple as that. To buy the freshest eggs at the grocery store, look at the sell-by date on the carton. It's very clearly listed there. As long as you buy it a week or so before the sell-by date, you're in pretty great shape. Store your eggs in the refrigerator, in the coldest part. Actually, the door is the worst place to store your eggs because it's kind of a warmish spot. Keep them in the carton that you bought them in and put them back in the back of the refrigerator where it's really cold. It's easy to test if your eggs are fresh. Just gently drop your egg in a glass of water, and if it sinks, it's fresh. If your egg floats, it's not so fresh. And the reason that this happens is that eggshells are porous, and as they age, not water, but air goes through there. And so the egg actually, the cavity inside the egg actually fills up with some air, and it makes it float. It's as simple as that. If you are in doubt of the freshness of your eggs, just get rid of it. It's inexpensive, and it's way better to toss it away than to get sick. The health benefits of eggs are huge. Not too many years ago, they told us that eggs weren't really very good for you, and that is completely debunked. Eggs are the perfect food. They're terrific protein. They do have fat, but they have healthy fats, actually. They're a great source of protein, and there is some cholesterol in them, but in moderation, they're perfectly great for you. Their culinary versatility is unbelievable. And today, we're going to be making a frittata, one of my very favorite ways to use an egg.